Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse, your home for the coolest tech on the planet. And today, oh boy, we've got something that has the entire drone and camera community absolutely buzzing. A brand new leak of the rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has just surfaced. And if it's real, it could change everything we know about pocket-sized filmmaking. Now, this isn't just another minor upgrade or a cosmetic redesign. From what we're seeing, DJI might be gearing up for one of the biggest leaps forward in compact camera tech in years. The Pocket line has always been about giving creators cinematic power in the palm of their hand. But this new prototype? It looks like DJI is ready to push that idea to the next level. The leaked image reveals a sleeker, more futuristic design that screams innovation. Gone are the rough edges. This thing looks almost production-ready. But what really steals the spotlight is that dual camera head. On one side, a smaller sensor. On the other, a larger lens. It's not your typical dual setup. It looks like an asymmetrical, intelligent system built for depth awareness, smarter subject tracking, and next-gen creative tools we've never seen in a handheld gimbal before. If that smaller lens really is a depth sensor, we could be looking at 3D mapping, ultra-accurate autofocus, and even subject recognition tech inspired by DJI's drones. That means smoother tracking, smarter framing, and less time fighting your gear when you're trying to capture the perfect shot. Now, let's talk display. Rumors suggest the Pocket 4 will pack a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, a big jump from the fixed 2-inch panel on the Pocket 3. With 800 nits of brightness, you'll finally be able to see your shot clearly, even under blazing sunlight. Add a new ergonomic grip and repositioned buttons, and DJI seems to be prioritizing comfort for long shooting sessions. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. The Pocket 4 is said to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor with a 20mm f2.0 lens, giving sharper detail, richer color, and stronger low-light performance. Combine that with 10-bit color depth, HDR recording, and D-Log-M support, and you're looking at serious filmmaking flexibility, right from your pocket. Autofocus is rumored to get a massive boost with phase detection and eye tracking, meaning no more focus hunting during those dynamic, fast-moving shots. Pair that with Active Track 7.0, and you've got buttery smooth, intelligent tracking that follows your every move. And of course, it wouldn't be a Pocket without industry-leading stabilization. DJI is expected to merge mechanical gimbal stabilization with advanced electronic algorithms, giving you cinematic-level smoothness, even when you're running, jumping, or chasing the action. Oh, and did I mention 4K at 240 FPS? That's double the slow-motion capability of the Pocket 3, opening the door for some truly breathtaking storytelling. All of these leaks point toward one thing. The Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just an upgrade. It's a reimagination of what's possible in portable filmmaking. A smarter camera, a brighter screen, better stabilization, and more creative freedom than ever before. If these leaks are legit, this could be DJI's biggest innovation since the original Pocket. A device that blurs the line between casual vlogging gear and pro-level cinema tools. Whether you're a travel vlogger, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves capturing life in motion, this could easily become your next must-have gadget. And of course, here at GadgetVerse, we'll be watching every update, every teaser, and every official announcement. Because if this leak is any indication, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might just redefine portable filmmaking forever. Stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, and keep your eyes on GadgetVerse, where the future of tech comes alive.